In this video, I'll show you how to fix the YouTube microphone not working on your Windows PC. First, open Google Chrome. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left-hand menu, click Privacy and Security. Next, select Site Settings. Scroll down and click Microphone. Make sure the correct microphone is selected from the drop-down menu. Also, make sure Sites Can Ask to Use Your Microphone is turned on. Now, open YouTube and refresh the page. Click View Site Information icon, locate on the search bar, and turn on microphone access. After that, the microphone should now work properly. That's it. This is how you can fix the YouTube microphone not working on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.